Hi there, so it's right now 1:05 and we are going to Pune, right? And we're in Shivai, so that's the reason we can able to charge our phone. So we are going to focus on our task, that is video editing, profile building, trading का जो updation है that I need to update on trading view on robot. We'll try that as well. A lot of things are remaining, so we'll do that. Signing off, Insta. Let's start working. बहुत हो गया time pass. Here, so we are about to reach to Pune. I mean, we are crossing Mahuli. We're thinking to drop to Fun Garden for the metro stop. Let's see. After talk to the driver, does this sounds great to him as well? I mean, stop us there or not? So yeah, that's what it is. Full how Hey dude, I never saw this crowd in the Pune metro. You wanna see? This is a lot crowd, dude. I have never saw in the Pune train. I think now it's like a 4 o'clock. It's not even a prime time, so I am still in search like how this much crowd. Never travel. Hello, yeah. Atal self. Hello, yeah. फर्स्ट टाइम ट्रॅव्हल करताना मेट्रोमध्ये
नाही तो खूप वेळा जाऊन आले.
हो का वॉच करते Hi there, so we have came to take noodles and Manchurian from here for Ordino. Let's try something new, something nice. And yeah, there's nothing to say. There is nothing in front of me. As from 3 hours, I was doing from 6 to up till 9. अब मैं अभी almost 9 हो गया. I've done a lot of things like managing the schedule thing. I created also the schedule. Now this is the last week of my JCB, so I need to be this week should be a perfect week. Going tomorrow in general shift, so it will be good. Yeah, this will be good. So signing off then. I need to go out from my from my laziness to the advanced mode. Plus I have done a lot of about trading thing. Um, a lot of things also remaining like to create the alarm of ongoing trades, and also I have brainstormed on. I was thinking to have a trades on 7 different currencies and managing that. Then I thought that why we are investing into 7 different currencies, we can just focus on only one currency. Because for managing a single currency, it will maximum take a 40 minutes of our time. Yes, that's what it is. I mean, if my speed is very low, and managing thing is it is very hard to manage. That's a serious thing, and I have to be fast and fast. Until I get fast, I have to manage with a single trade, single currency. And plus I thought that I can manage with 7 different currencies, but then I found that okay, I have to increase my stop loss, take profit, and rest of the things. Yes, rest of the things. There is more than stop loss, take profit, and entry in the trading. You don't even know. That's why I'm getting success during trading. So yes, um, that's the reason I have to update it. So वो increase करना था stop loss and take profit. So I was like, it will gonna take a lot of time to close the trades and all and all and all, and but also it will increase the profitability in a long term. That that is the main thing. So अभी ऐसा लगने लगा है कि okay, we can trade in all different currencies, but yes, but compounding वो कैसा है ना, if we increase the drawback is if we increase the stake profit and stop loss, the compounding method, the compounding of the strategy is going to take a lot of time, and it will definitely get I mean जो profit होना था $100 का, उसको वो 1 वीक में भी होगा, एंड उसको वही $100 को हम लोग को लगेगा 1 मंथ. So it's really like नहीं, मतलब वो मेक सेंस नहीं होता है. तो इसलिए मैं आई केम टू पॉइंट दैट I will definitely trade in only one currency, but still I'm open for update on new changes. अगर मेरे माइंड ने थोड़ा और कैलकुलेशंस किया और इसके अच्छा आउटपुट आया, then we can trade in 7 different currencies. That is true. Signing off then. अभी ऑर्डर होगा ही जल्दी. I will think on this. Until now, signing off. Let me check.